Kumachielo en ni Mama Grace Onyango Social Center kod riwruok mar Peacemakers Corps Foundation olando ni gibiro bedo kod nyasi mar kelo kwe e bomanieri ma Kisumu kochopo tarik 2 dwe mar 10 higa ni eri. Riwruogno ero kotelnegi kod jata chenro mar Mama Grace Onyango Social Hall mano Migosi Obat Masira owacho ni nyasi makamano ero biro konyo e jiwo oganda e yore mag nyayo kwe kindegi eki mabende yiero koro kayo machiegni pacho kaendi. Migosi Masira bende oyango ni chenro makamano ero biro timore kokalo e riwruok margi kanyakla kod mano ero mar USA Peace Builders mabende wuok Washington DC e pinyno ero mar Amerika. Weche makamagi eki bende nosir koda kangire Frederick Ogenga mabende owacho ni dwaro margi en jiwo rowere mabende osebedi ka itiyo godo e nyayo tulo e kindego eko mag yiero.
I'm an associate professor of media and security studies and the director of the Peacemakers Corps Foundation Kenya. I'm also the founding director of the Rongo University Center for Media Democracy, Peace and Security. And like Monica has rightly put it, we are part of a global coalition called Plus Peace Coalition. Plus Peace is a global coalition of like-minded organizations that tries to build a global movement, working with technology, the youth and young people in building narratives of change. And therefore, we are very blessed and lucky to have our partners and also our funders coming in today as the beginning of the journey of what we are here to celebrate on Saturday, which is the first annual Karibu Canaan Music and Arts Festival. Now you might want to ask why Karibu Canaan. We are trying to capture that biblical narrative of peace and the land of plenty. And you know that we are also having a very contentious, highly staked election coming in next year. And you know Kisumu is usually a hotbed for political extremism. You all know what happens in Kondele. They normally say when Kondele burns, then it's a signal that the rest of the country will begin burning.
Mama Grace Onyango Social Center, Peacemakers Corps Foundation, Kenya Plus Peace USA will host a peace building festival, the first annual Karibu Canaan Music and Arts Festival, to be held at Mama Grace Onyango Social Center on the 2nd of October 2021 as from 8:30 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. The festival will feature performing visual arts, music, and we also have a young music group known as Genge Town. Entry will be free of charge. The vision for the festival and the vision for hosting this building center here to capture the memory of peace and help Kenyans move from negative peace, which is fragile and merely translate to absence of conflict, to a positive peace which is visible, active, transcending individual, community, and national dynamics. To inspire the culture of non-violence through music, art, film, going, culture, acting as a creative space for youth imagination, ventilation, engagement, and national cohesion. The Peace Festival. The festival will feature music, art to convey the message that peace is not easily won, but we can do it together.